Now everything is fine now, guys. Come on. Use the chat box, guys. Okay. So, okay. Don't worry about that. Okay. Spring Core, Spring Boot Core, everything will be available on what our YouTube channel. Okay. On what our YouTube channel. Okay. Everything will be available. But after then, right? Spring Core, whenever we will what move on what module Spring Boot modules, right? Modules like MVC modules, REST modules. After then microservices. These area I will upload those videos also. But those video I will provide to those people only whoever will join the session. Okay. So please inform those who want to take advantage of these classes. Okay, these sessions. Okay, so join those people. Okay, some people are there from the other country, right? I will give those people. The people join, not join, there is no problem for me, because from C Ayodele for you good time is there, because 9 morning time, but Padma here see 2:30 happening, right? In the US one Padma is there, right? See uh, 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 their timing is what, 3 o'clock morning, 3 o'clock. Okay, so if she will not join, there is no problem that I will give the link to her. But others, right? Abdul Qadir, from the other
Are
speaker,
you
other
covering?
country, whoever there.
Okay.
Okay, those people I will provide you. Okay, the link, no problem. But
Okay.
in India, whoever belonging from the India, join that, then I can. Okay, then I can. Otherwise,
Are you
forget
covering
about that.
REST API
Otherwise,
also?
forget about that. Okay. Abdul Qadir, from which country? Unmute yourself.
America.
Hello.
America, brother.
America. Okay. What is the timing there?
5 o'clock morning.
Morning 5 o'clock. Okay, then mine morning 5 o'clock is good, man. Morning 5 o'clock. Okay, don't worry, I will provide you. Okay, don't worry, you will get the link. Okay, I will create, what is that, tomorrow I will create one more group. Okay, and that group link I will provide in the session, and please join that group. In that group, just I will put those video. Okay, because in what is that, our common group is there. After session we will delete that group. Okay, we will delete that group, and our what is that common group is there. In that group only we will provide the video. But from module onward we will provide in that group only. Okay, I will not provide
Ravi,
yes.
Ravi, are you covering REST API also?
Hurry, everything, madam. I will touch. Even
Okay.
in the core also, you can ask. Some people are there who is joining with us from the Spring onward. If I touch those things in Spring, why I will not touch in Spring Boot? In Spring Boot, I will touch more than Spring, right? Spring Boot, I will touch more than Spring REST. Okay. So don't worry,
Okay.
I will take care each and everything. I will make, just if you are serious about yourself, right? I will make export. It's my guarantee. Okay, guys. So let's discuss about our subject. Okay, let's discuss about our subject. Okay, so now fine. So now everything is fine now, right? My voice is audible to you. Please use the chat box. One or two people.
Yes, Ravi. Yes,
So fine.
all are correct.
So okay, fine now, guys. So next, what is that? But here, what is that? How many way we are reading the data, guys? The property, we wrote the data. What is that? We wrote the property, right? And we are reading that property inside that what? Our classes, guys. Okay, our what is that? Our class data type must be matched with what? Must match with what? Our what is that, property key, right? This is the key. Key must not be duplicate, right? Key must not be what? Duplicate. Okay, but what is that? Value can be duplicate, right? Value can be duplicate. Our core Java concept only, guys. Okay, our what is that core Java concept only. So now fine, guys. So, but what is that? One more facility is given to our what is that? Spring people. So what is that? Here, see that some data is what is that common data, guys. Okay, see that in the first property is duplicated or not. See that here my application in the first attribute also there, in the second attribute also there, and the third attribute also there, right? In the three attributes are there, in all three attributes what is that, in all three attributes what in the common, right? This property is changed, guys. Okay, this property is changed, but from here to here what is that, common data is there or not? So duplicate, we can say this data is a duplicate or not? Come on, we can say this data as what, guys? Duplicate data means our somewhere, right? So if multiple same data is there in the multiple places, same data is there multiple places, right? So what is that, if see that if we will write the same thing repeatedly in the one file, so little bit file what is that, weightage is increase or not, guys? file file weightage is increase or not? So for that what will happen, little bit performance will decrease or not, guys? Come on, if our capacity is to load take what is that, take what is that, only 1 kg. So if we give 10 kg, right, 10 kg, then capacity, right, that person can't able to run, right, walk also right? So same like what is that, compared to, so for that what is that, Spring people is given what is that, YAML file also, right? ML file, inside that ML file what will happen now, guys? Duplicate key and data anywhere, data will not acceptable. Duplicate what is that, ML data is not acceptable. Okay, so okay, now fine, guys. So what will happen now, here what we are doing now, here we are reading this data from the property file, right? Here what we are doing, that we are reading this data from the property file, right? So what is that, let's see that what is the syntax to write, what is that, this is, think about that, this we wrote what is that, property file. No, I want to inject this data using what is that, YAML file, right? I want to inject this data as what, YAML file. So what is the syntax, how we can write it? Let's see first. Okay, let's understand those things, then we will implement in what, our application. Then these things we will implement in what, our application. So now what is that, guys? Come and see that. So just I'm going to write okay, same data only, see that this same data only, right? But how we can write this data as what, in the ML file, in the ML file we will see that. Okay, we will see that. So now what, let's see that. Okay, so now, so what is that, so ML file should not, right, ML file, right? ML file should not duplicate data, right? It will not accept what, duplicate data. So how we can write it? So think about that. Just I'm going to write what, application. Can I write? Okay, no, I will write here only. Okay, I will write here only, right? Any ID you can use it. Divit, right? I'm pronunciating your name correct, right? Divit. Just I'm using what is that, STS4. You can use STS3 also, you can use Eclipse also, right? You Eclipse also. Okay, so no problem, but I'm using what is that, latest version, STS4. You can also use it. Okay, you can also use it. So now fine, guys. So what I'm going to do now, just I'm writing what is that, application application dot yml, right? ML extension must be what, ML. Here what is the extension, guys? Property. But whenever we will write the property file, right, property extension must be what, property, right? But whenever we will write the ML file, right, extension must be what, property. So how we can write it, guys? How we can write it, how we can write it, ML, same data in the ML file, right? Same data in the ML file. So what is that? So just think about that. Just I'm copying this one first variable, guys. Okay, just see that how we wrote it now. How we wrote. So in the property file, this is the like this. Okay, na? This is the like this. Okay. So, but whenever we will write this same things in the property, right? Same things in the property. How we can write it? How we can write it? So first we will write my. Okay, colon, right? After then what we will do now? Application is there, right? One, enter it, and space first one. After then what we will do now? Minimum one space, right? Minimum one space, otherwise you will get error. Not you will write, if you write the same spaces of what is that top data, right? Then it will give what? Error. So what you will do now? You can give minimum one, maximum how much you can give it. Okay, but minimum you have to give what? One space. After then what is there, guys? App is there. App, right? After then again colon. After then what you will do now? Enter. Again what you will do now? Come in the in this same like second level. What is that? Second level data, right? Now second level data, we are there, right? Now again you have to enter one space, right? After then what you will do now? You have to put what is that? PID is there, right? PID. After then you have to keep colon. Again, what is that? This one will become what? Key, and whatever data you will give, that is become what? Value. So again, what you will do now? One space, then you have to write what? 10. Like that, like this we will write in the AML, right? Like this we will write the in the ML, right? So after then what is that? P name is there, right? Again, same indentation, right? Same indentation. What you will do now? Here PID. P P name, you will give P name colon, key P name colon, one space. Now Ravi, right? Another one is what? Another one more is there, right? What is the duplicate P cost, right? Sorry, double P cost is there, right? So again, same indentation, right? Based on that same, what is that? P cost, right? P cost, okay, colon, what is that? Just 20.0. Okay, like this. So think about that. Here, what is that? Repeatable data is there or not, guys? Come on. Here, what is that? Same data is repeating multiple time or not? Same data is repeated here, what? Multiple time. In what? In what? Our property file. But in ML file, see that my app, PID, P name, P cost. Anywhere repeatable data is there? No, na? Come on. Use the chat box, guys. Anywhere same repeatable data is there? No, right? So if same data is not repeatable, then what is that? File size is less or not? If the size is less, then our application performance will increase or not? Come on, guys. Our application performance will increase or not? Then our what? Client will happy or not? Then our what? Client will happy or not, guys? Come on. Okay, so now fine, guys. So now let's move on. Okay, let's move on, and what we will see that as what, how we can inject the data using what? YAML file, right? How we can write the data using what? YAML file. So now fine, guys, so let's write it. Okay, now, so what is that? Here application property already is there, guys. Okay, already what is that? Already what is that? Application property is there. Now what we will do now? Right click, go inside that new, create one file. What is that? Application dot what? YML, right? YML extension must be ML, right? So see that one ML file is created now, guys. Okay, so what is that? Come inside that class. What is the class prefix? Is what? My dot app is there, right? So my dot add. So see that what is that? My colon, what is that? My colon applicate space, right? So see that another one is what? App is there. Just I'm writing here only app. So after then what? Colon. Okay, at the 1 minute at the runtime I will show that. Okay, I will show that at the runtime we will get the error, guys. Okay, so one space must be one space, right? One space. After then what? Enter. What is that? One space, again one space. Okay, one space. Now what we will do now? Now what is that? EMP ID is there. Copy this one. Okay, so what you will do now? Come inside that what? ML file. Come inside that, paste it. Okay, again colon, one space, just I'm giving 10. After enter. Okay, because the property is there. This property must be in the same line only, guys. Same line only, guys. Okay. If you means it will treat, if you give here one space, it will treat what is that employee ID inner data is there. No, same line only. Same line if you write, then it will treat as what, this property, right? This property. Now copy this one. Now copy this one. Come inside that, what, paste it. Okay, paste it. Now what is that? Just I'm writing what, one space Ravi. Ravi, right? Ravi, Ravi. Okay. So another one is what? No, here I will give another name only, right? Just take the Padma name only. Okay. So now, okay. So now another one is what? Another one is what? Property. EMP style is there, right? Copy this one. Copy this one. What? Paste it, right? Now colon. What is that? 30.3, like this. Okay. So this is what? This is what, guys? Our ML file, right? This is what our ML file is there, right? This is the ML file. But if we run, right, we will get the property file data only, right? We will get the property file result only. Why? I will tell. I will tell. Let's first run it, right? Let's first run the application and we will see that. Okay, we will see that. Run as what? Spring Boot. See that, what is that? Ravi only. We are getting the output at a what? Ravi only. Why? Because always first priority to our Spring container will give to whom? Our Spring container will give to whom? First priority to whom, guys? Our what? Property file, right? Our property file is always what? First priority. So if right, if but in the property, right, if in the property, so we know that in the property, what is that? Hash symbol is there to comment it, right? If same key is there in the property file, right, then we will get the result from what? We will get the result from what, guys? We will get the result from what? Property file. But if the same key is not there, right, if this key is not available in what? Property file, then ML file result we will get. Then we will get the what? ML file result. Okay, now let's run it. We will get the result of what? ML file. Okay, so no problem, guys. No problem. We are getting null EMP salad by default value we are getting, right? Means it's not injecting, right? It's not injecting what? Our what? This data, ML data. Why? App, my dot app, right? Okay. This one only, right? Null we are getting. Why the data is not injecting, guys? Should be, but null by default value we are getting, right? Why? Prefix my dot app. My dot app is correct only. Okay, I got the point, guys. Actually, correct. We wrote the things is the correct only, right? We wrote the things correct only, guys. No worry about that, right? Don't worry about that. But by default, what? By default, our application will not recognize YAML file. So what we will do now? Come in the problem section, guys. Come inside that what problem section. See that what is that exception. See the problems, right? Right. What is that? Execution, what is the default resource goal? Apache Maven, right? So what you will do now, right click on the project, Maven update the project. That's it. After updating this, what will happen now? This problem will gone. Now see the problem is resolved, right? Casey problem, guys. Our what is that? Eclipse ID by default is not able to recognize. Suddenly we are moving HTML, right? It's previously our Eclipse ID is habituated to read the data from property, and suddenly we are given to what burden to him, and he started to what crying on us. Okay, so because of that, he is not able to read it. Okay, so if you are facing this kind of problem, because I am confident I wrote correct code, but why our Eclipse ID is not able to recognize it? Okay, so in this situation, just come in the problem section, see that what is the problem, right? Then what you have to do now, just update your project, right? Update our what project. Now run the guys. Now run the guys, and we will see that we can able to see that what result. See that we are able to get the result or not, guys? Command emp id 10, emp name Padma, and emp salary means this result is coming from which property file, guys? ml file, right? Ml file, not property file. In the DevOps, right? Whenever you people become senior and DevOps and all those things configuration, right? We are writing in the DevOps using what is that? ML file only, right? But guys, and this is the not a Java concept, guys. Okay, Java concept. This is not Java concept. If you write duplicate key, right? See anything, if you write duplicate, then suddenly what is that? We will get what error. Suddenly, suddenly what we will get now? Still it's taking time. Okay, otherwise here only we can get the error. Now update the project, right? Just updating that, we can able to see that error. Okay, it's not giving, but let's run the application. ML will not accept duplicate, but why? 1 minute, we will check. See that, see this, see this on that, what is the console, right? Previously we are getting what null, but here what is that? Founded duplicate key in what is emp salary, in what is that? Employee, right? Employee duplicate is there, means what, guys? Duplicate in the ML, duplicate will not allowed, but what is that property? In the what is that? Last Saturday Sunday we seen that if we are writing multiple key, right? Multiple key, what is that? What we are getting now? What we are getting now? Last value we are getting, right? Last value, but in the property, right? In the ML, duplicate will not acceptable, guys, right? Duplicate will not acceptable. Okay, let's now again I'm running this one. Okay, now I'm again running this one. Okay, I will show multiple things about what is that ML, guys. Okay, I will show you what multiple things about what ML now. See, we are getting the result, right? See, we are getting the result, guys. Okay, we are getting the result. But what I said that rules, what is the rules, guys? Now just what I'm doing now, this application is there. Now I'm taking the with the same indentation. What is that? Top and down both are the same. And what is that? Okay, just take only that one only. Now run this application. Now run this application, and what you will see that, see this. See this, we are not getting in this time any error. what we are getting by default value we are getting. What is that by default value? Means it's not, our IOC container is not able to inject the data, right? Inject the data means how many, what is that step you will take? Must take, what is that, first to one space, right? One space, otherwise it will not able to recognize it. Okay, now okay, so take, what is that, the same, right? Here if you take the variable, see that one, see this what, see this, we are getting what error. So see this, now run this, and we can't, again we will get what, null only. See this, we are getting again null or not, guys? Come on, we are getting again null or not? So at the time of property, right, we sorry, YAML, we have need to follow these rules first. After the second step, second level step must be, if variable is there, all variable must be in the same indentation, right? Same indentation. Then what is that? Then our IOC container able to inject it. Now run this. Now in this time we will get the result, right? In this time we will get the result now. Okay, fine. So see this, now see this, we are able to get the result or not, guys? Come on, come on. Now I think you people are able to understand whatever things I want to explain it, right? I need to understand. I think come on, guys, use the chat box. Okay, okay, guys. Okay, so next is what, guys? Just think about that. Okay, so what is that, our question? Next question is what? Next question is our next question is, let's see that. Okay, next is what? Okay, so what is that you said? Okay, Mr. Ravikant, you are saying in the property. Okay, in the property, what is that? Multiple data we can write it, right? Multiple data we can write it. Okay, if we want to write in this only one property, right? In only one property, multiple. Just think about that. This is the my app EMP ID is there, EMP name is there, EMP salary is there. Okay, so another one is what? Another one is what? Another one, ours what? Another one is what? Our what? Address is there, right? So just what I'm taking, my dot addr, right? My.addr. Okay, so this is the what property is there, right? So this is the property colon, what is that, one space addr. Okay, addr colon what, inside that, what is that, inside that, what is that, one pin is there, right? Pin number is there, pin is there, just what is that, pin 101, just I'm taking. Another one is what, location, means loc. Okay, location, just I'm giving what, H, Mysore only, right? Mysore or Pune. Pune. Just I'm giving what? Pune. Okay. So if these two properties is there, but this is I said, what is that? Duplicate is not allowed. So see here I take in what, duplicate. So what I will take, just two, TWO, two. Second one I'm taking, right? Second one I'm taking. Okay. So what is that? So this is okay. So I want to read. Can I read in the same class? No. If multiple things is there in the YAML file, right? If multiple things is there, then what you have to do now? You have to write, what is that, one more class. Then you can able to, how many properties, means what is that? How many data is there in what YAML? Those many you have to write the class. Okay, those many you have to write the class. And what is that, what you will do now, you have to use this annotation. What annotation? At the rate what, configuration property annotation. So let's write one more class. Okay, inside that, this one only, right? Inside this employee class is there, address class. Let's write one address class. Okay, so I'm writing one address class only, ADDRESS, right? Address. Inside that, what I'm going to do now, guys, inside at the rate what is that, data, at the rate Lombok API, guys, Lombok API, at the rate what is that, at the rate configuration property, right? At the rate what, configuration property. Inside that I'm going to prefix, right? Prefix what we took inside that, what, to addr, right? To, what is that, TWO dot, what is that, addr. Okay, this is the prefix, right? This is what, guys, prefix. Okay, after then what, inside that we decided to take what is that properties, what is that, pin and location, right? Pin and what, location. So come inside that what, private, what is that, private int, what is that, pin. And another one is what, private, what is that, location, string loc, string loc. Okay, that's it. Okay, now another one more, at the rate component, at the rate what, component. Okay, we applied on the top of what, we applied on the top of what, at the rate what, component annotation, right? So now next what we will do now, come inside that. Okay, all things we completed. Okay, so next what we will do now, come inside that runner class. Okay, now another one more what we will do now, private addrs address. Just I'm taking what is that, address, addr. Okay, adr. After then just make as a add auto wire here also. Auto wire, right? I apply on the top of what, auto wire. Now fine, so here again just print it emp, right? Sorry, address, this reference addr. Okay, so now what we will do now, let's run this one and we can see that. Okay, in the single ml file we are reading what, two data, right? Two data in this single property, right? One eml file we are reading what, two properties, right? Two property what, key data in the key and the value format in the classes, guys. Okay, see that first one is coming from what, employee class. First one is coming from employee class, and the second one is what, employee, what is that, address, right? Address. Okay, so like this. Okay, if two classes, okay, two classes is there, different property, we will write what, multiple what, multiple different, what is that, based on that indentation, what is that, different what, data, different data in what, ml file, guys. Okay, different data in what, ml file. So now okay, so let's move on and the what, complex type, guys, collection based, right? How we will write the collection based data. Okay, how we will write the collection based data in what, our property file, guys. This one only is there in the Spring Boot. If you are good in the reading the data from the property file, reading the data from what, reading the data from what, like what, uh, ml file, then Spring Boot will become what, easy. Because of that I'm explaining much about what these things. Okay, much about these things. Okay, so now okay, so if you want it, this concept, ml is not a concept of what, our java, but it's Spring Boot, right? It's java, but it's supporting, our Spring Boot is supporting what, ml file, to to removing what, duplicate data in the from the file. Okay, so and this one is given by whom, you know, snack api, snack api is there, guys. See that, snack ml, right? Snack ml. Okay, this api is given what, ml file. This is the not concept of what, but property is concept of what, our java, right? We know that property is what, concept of what, our java. But what is that, snack, this is given by third party, snack api. Okay, this is not part of our java, right? But it's supporting, our Spring Boot is supporting the what, ml file, right? ml file. Okay, in the future, guys, this code we will not write. Why this code, right? This code we will not write. Okay, this one will apply on what is that, auto configuration. But here, if I'm not explained right, then when I will use in what module the things, your face will become what, blank. Because of that I'm explaining. You want to see that, open that what is that, open this one. Okay, open what is that, configuration. See, 1 minute, I will show this one. Configuration property prefix is there, right? Prefix, 1 minute, it's not showing that here. Okay. Hmm. this this annotation we will not use, okay, in the future also. But here just concept is there. If we not aware about this concept, okay, then the problem is there, so because of that, Spring Core, Spring Boot, Spring Boot core, these are more important than what, module. this area is more important than what module. Like how core Java is how much important. Same like if you are learning what Spring Boot, Spring framework, core is the more important. Core Spring core is if you good in core, you can do wonder in what modules, guys. Okay, you can do wonders in the what module. So now fine, guys, so let's understand. No, I want to read what complex data, right? Complex data is nothing but what, guys? Collection based data, right? Collection based data. So let's understand what is that, what we are going to do now. I want what is the working working with what working with what complex type, right? Complex type. Okay, so let's work on, right? Complex type is what, just I'm giving what a the complex type is what, using what is that, using list, set, and array, guys. Okay, array, right? Array in the property. So how we will write in the property code if this if we are using what is that, list, set, array, guys? Index based, right? Index based, this area is what, using our Spring what, index based, right? Index based. So syntax is there, guys. Okay, so in the property file, what is that? Properties, right? In the property, first we will write what, prefix dot, after then what is that, variable name, right? Variable name with what is that, index value, right? Index, just syntax, this is the syntax about what is that, just think about that. I'm giving what is that, list of data. Okay, if list of data is there in the property, how we will write? So this is what, list, just think about that. We are writing the code about what, list collection, right? So prefix plus index plus equal to what is that, value, guys. Okay, value. This is the syntax of what, property about what list, right? List. Okay, so okay, what is the ml file? If we want to write the ml, how we can write it now? Write it now? Using what is that, ml, right? Using what, here in the, we know that, right? Index here, it will become what is that, prefix first, what is that, here prefix colon, right? What is that, after then what, one space, after then what is that, variable, guys. Okay, variable, right? After then what, one space, one space, right? One or two space, to representing in the YAML, right? To representing in the YAML index, we have need to give what, one this slash symbol, right? This symbol. Okay, so after then hyphen symbol, right? Hyphen symbol, after then value one, after then one more again, what is that, same indentation, hyphen, this one will become what is that, indexes, guys. Indexes, this indexes will represent what is that, this is the value 2, value value 2. Okay, this is the value 2. Okay, like this we will represent in what, ml file. Like what is that, all list, set, array, everything we will represent like this only, right? Everything we will represent in the, in what our ml file like this. Okay, so okay, this is the list, set, collection, right? Not a list only, guys, set and array both, everything, list, set, array. We will see that practical also, right? This is the syntax only, right? This is the syntax only. Okay, so now, okay. This is the list set you talking about, Mr. Ravikant. Okay, but no, I want to read the data from what, map collection. How we will write in the property file. Okay, let's see that those things also now. Those things also now. So what is that, using what is that? Let's see that, B. Just I'm taking what is that, using what, map, right? Using map collection. So inside that, if same data is there, what is that, map? Inside that, what is that, what is the property, Ravikant? Properties, think about that. This is the property of what is that, map collection, right? So how we can write, prefix dot variable name, guys. Okay, variable name dot, what is that, map key, whatever map key will